Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're exploring MileIQ, available at MileIQ.com. This app simplifies mileage tracking, a crucial task for anyone who needs to log their business miles for tax deductions or reimbursements. Imagine effortlessly capturing every drive, automatically categorizing trips, and generating comprehensive reports. No more scrambling with pen and paper or struggling to remember where you drove last week. MileIQ offers a smart solution that eliminates the headache of manual mileage logging. The app works seamlessly in the background, intelligently detecting your drives and recording the key details you need. You can easily classify each trip as business or personal with a simple swipe, ensuring accurate record keeping. MileIQ also provides insightful reports that summarize your mileage, helping you maximize your deductions or streamline your reimbursement requests. It's a valuable tool for freelancers, independent contractors, real estate agents, and anyone who spends significant time on the road for work. Think about the time and potential money you could save by automating this essential task. By accurately tracking your miles, you can ensure you're claiming every deduction you're entitled to. MileIQ even offers various subscription options to fit your specific needs, ranging from limited free tracking to unlimited premium features. Check out the link in the description and discover how MileIQ can simplify your mileage tracking process, freeing up your time and potentially boosting your bottom line. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about my experience with MileIQ.